Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start at the antenna base. First, disconnect the battery negative terminal to prevent shorts. This also preserves radio memory if you note settings. Once done, fold or remove the antenna mast if possible. Use a cloth to protect paint, then unbolt any visible nuts, usually a 10 mm, while supporting the base from above. If your Swift has a plastic trim, gently pry it with a flat tool to expose fasteners. These actions prevent scratches and reveal the mounting hardware you'll remove next. Once interior trim is loosened, you can access the antenna nut and cable. Make sure to label screws so reassembly stays simple. Disconnect the antenna cable by releasing its clip. Do not yank the wire, instead depress the tab and pull the connector straight out. Then remove any bolts from the roof's underside or inside the headliner. Once bolts are out, lift the antenna assembly straight up to clear any gaskets. Twisting can tear seals. This keeps the roof and electronics intact while freeing the unit. To finish, clean the mounting surface and inspect, or replace the rubber gasket to prevent leaks. Use automotive sealant sparingly if the gasket is damaged. Reconnect the antenna cable and temporarily reconnect the battery to test radio reception and AM/FM tuning. This verifies electrical connections before sealing. Once satisfied, fully tighten bolts to recommended torque and reinstall trim. If you get static or no signal, make sure the connector is fully seated and check the cokes for breaks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.